Simplify. 1 minus 4i, all divided by 4i times the quantity 1 plus 4i raised to the negative 1. Let's begin by dealing with the negative exponent and rewriting this expression as 1 minus 4i in the numerator, the 4i in the denominator times 1 over 1 plus 4i. Then simplifying the denominator a little bit, the numerator is still 1 minus 4i. In the denominator, we get the fraction 4i over 1 plus 4i. So this is a division problem which I'm going to rewrite using the division symbol. 1 minus 4i divided by 4i over 1 plus 4i. And now let's rewrite this as a multiplication. 1 minus 4i times the reciprocal, which is 1 plus 4i over 4i. Now you'll notice that in the numerator we're multiplying an expression by its conjugate. And therefore we take the first term, which is 1 squared, is 1, minus the second term squared, 4i squared, would be 16i squared. But 16i squared is negative 16. All of that divided by 4i. In the numerator then, 1 minus a negative 16 is 1 plus 16, which gives us 17 over 4i. Now we need to rationalize the denominator because of the I term. So what we would multiply by is the conjugate of I, which is negative I, on both numerator and denominator. That result gives us negative 17i divided by negative 4i squared. Let's keep going in terms of simplification. The numerator, negative 17i. In the denominator, though, I squared is negative 1. Negative 1 times the negative 4, of course, will give us a positive 4. So we have negative 17i over 4. And then writing that in the form of the standard form, we would rewrite this as negative 17/4 I.